to California, seen the sight.
Gorgeous. You know what we see now? Snow. Yeah. We're getting up close to 10,000 feet as we get up here. Looking at the All Stays app, which is really good to take a look at what people have had. Some of the people in the last month have talked about their experiences, and a lot of people posted. This must be a popular place because I saw at least a handful, if not 10 posts regarding this hike and their experiences. And here we are. Okay, well, let's keep it going. I'd say the trail is fairly well delineated. Some of the people talked about overgrown within the last 2 months, but I don't consider this bad at all. Hey, civilization. Okay, 1 the base, 2, 3, 4, 5. Geez, somebody had this one, it looks like. Do I dare you at it? Why not try? Oh, that's a little bit tenuous. Oh no, this is going to be okay. All right, 1 for the team. And back on the track, I was going to say too, this would not be a bad spot to put a tent. I have a solo single person tent, and it would fit there. Now, what would be the pros and cons, you think? Well, we don't have any tree protection. It's wind is going to come up through this valley, and so that would be one downside, I guess. It's fairly flat, and I like the fact that it's on sand. You can't always have everything you want, can you? If you were worried about things going up and down the trail, bears, mountain lions, you might not want to be right next to the trail. I might want to see if something is better over by that tree. Maybe this is what they were saying, where the path isn't completely trail worthy, but it's okay. I mean, come on, you gotta have a little something. Oh ho ho, look at this. Man, perfect swimming hole here. You know, I'm not in a hurry. I think I'm gonna dip my feet in. Why not? Okay, it is the moment of truth. Is this water cold? I'm sure it is. Oh yeah, oh, that feels good. Man, that first second or so was, whew. I think my feet will be numb within about 30 seconds. It's worth the price of poker. This feels great. My feet are getting a little red. They're blue veins, that's for sure. Saddle up quick, get my socks on, and let's go. Okay, shoes on check. Got my Hokas, my Gators, Dirty Girls, that's what they're called. And we're ready to saddle up. I think I got it. Okay, let's tally-ho. Well, if this isn't it, where is it? Okay, time to get the Garmin out. Looks like I came to the water hole, but it looks like the path is over that way. So yeah, I'm off by about 100 feet or more. No wonder it was so thick here. All right, well, it was worth the price of poker. I knew there was something here. So back I go through and join up with the main trail. But yeah, this side path here was awesome to get right to the river. I can see why somebody made a trail through this way. Hi. Well, thank you. How are you today?
Just great.
Good.
Beautiful weather.
Oh, it's perfect day. Did you go all the way to the top?
No, we did not. We went up maybe another half mile.
Okay, I guess that, let's see, how far do I have to go? Well, I've gone a mile, so I got a mile to go if I go to the end, I guess.
Oh, is it a 2 mile to the end?
Yeah, that's what they said, 4 mile round trip, so.
Okay, yeah.
But I was going off this way here a little bit, and there's a beautiful water hole there.
We saw that.
Yeah, I took advantage of it, so, but then I saw that, okay, I guess that's where that trail ended, so it just ended for a place to go take a dip.
Yeah. So you crossed, you could cross right where you took a dip.
Yeah, I saw that.
We started that.
Across the rock, and I thought, oh, I'm not so sure about that, but yeah, I could see where some people had made their own trail. I've got the Garmin InReach, and you can see the dotted is where I was. Now I'm back on the solid line again. Okay, thanks. Take care. Okay, that explains a lot. So yeah, the trail we're there at was the main trail, and I was on the secondary trail, which was fine. Oh man. I see why some of the people might have went the other way. We're in first gear. Okay, Garmin, I'm paying attention to you now. Off course? What? What do you mean off course? I don't think so. On course, okay. Just lost satellite for a second. Yeah, now this would be the spot for your overnight tent. This would be great. Yeah, you're on the path. You might want to find a spot where you can get off somewhere, but nice protection in here. Hey, butterflies around. How can you go wrong? Been out here 2 hours. I've been walking about an hour and 25 minutes and 1.45 miles in. So half a mile to happiness. And since we've gone 850 feet, there's not going to be that much more ascent. Well, friends, I think we have reached the end. This looks suspiciously like the end of the trail. Bunch of rocks, a stake, and not really readable. It just says land survey. There's another one. Hey, the goalpost, the goalpost of life. And I'd say this is a good place to fly the drone around here. Not a soul to worry about. And so this would be it for the perfect spot to hunker down for the evening with the tent. I I wonder if other animals maybe have, and you have to worry about ticks or things. I doubt it. But yeah, it's with the trees here, protected from the wind. The wind is normally coming up from the valley, coming up this way. So you got these pine trees right in front of you. Might be some others here in the pine tree areas where you might want to hunker down for the evening, but that was a good one. Well, okay, the race is on. So the winds are gusting a little bit, which could mean something. It's gotten a little darker. And my Garmin just got a notification, storm alert. I see them once in a while, and to be honest, probably half of them don't materialize. So, do I feel lucky? Well, I do have right at the top of my pack a rain hat, which even covers my neck so that you won't get water dripping down it. And I do have a rain jacket, a really nice one, not light, it's as light as I wanted, but pretty light. And I also have a lightweight poncho. I had a better poncho, but I can't carry that much weight. Come on, at some point it's got to give. But just in case, I have that, and I suppose it would probably cover my backpack somewhat. Yes, I do have a Nyla fume on the inside, and everything pretty much is covered. So I don't have any problems there, and I think I'll be okay. But it's nice to be a good Boy Scout and be prepared, right? Okay, I'd say we're getting a little closer. Let's see. Distance 4.25, down to 7,800 feet. Total ascent was 1,100 feet. Nice. It's really nice and cool down here, so it is worth the admission. If you don't have a backpack or anything, you're going minimally. Trek poles, you're probably fine. If you're a seasoned hiker, I wouldn't worry about it. But it is a little bit rugged on the rocks, especially coming down. You know, you're going to have some extra flexation on your knees, so for what that's worth. Anyway, I would say I would give it a 5 in terms of my enjoyment. Probably a 4 to 5 in terms of the scenery also. And so if you're into it, well, give it a try. Hike your own hike, as they say. If you can't make the whole thing, you know, you get the waterfalls within the first 5 minutes, so that will be a good start. Okay, that's all I have now. Thanks for coming by, and I hope you have a great day. Peace out. Happy trails to you.
Have you been to California? Seen the sights and people there?